here in Monroe, Washington, and we just did a retrofit from double-ended HPS to our CTB-6s. This is an 18 light room. It used to be HPS rooms like these, which are really an impressive light. I'm really happy with these. They're 660 watts, definitely commercial grade. Built-in tuning and dimming on the lights, and easy connectivity to a variety of controls, including the TrollMaster, which we just installed here with the LMA 14. So lights are going to come on in a minute. Cleaning up the hanging heights. Clamps will be in here later today. Initially this will be a full cycle room. It's going to veg for a bit with the lights dimmed, and then it's going to be finishing in flower. So really nice looking lights, nice looking room.